To hang the uppers, we use a system called Easy Hang. You take their rail at the top and you attach it into the studs. Then you put brackets on the back of every cupboard and clip them onto that rail. Later, you come back through, make it flush and plumb, and put a couple more screws at the bottom of each cupboard into the studs as well, and they are not going anywhere. So this is our very first cupboard that we're putting up. We used 2 people just because it was kind of an awkward size lifting it that high, but really they're not heavy and it clipped very easily onto the rail. We tested the doors to make sure that they would open properly. We did scoot it just a tiny bit away from the wall and left a little gap there. But woo! The first cupboard was up. We celebrated and then also had my mom test out the first set of doors so that she could make sure they were exactly what she was hoping for. Super exciting! We then continued on with the rest of the cabinets, putting on those little brackets, which as long as those are level, the rest of the install is very, very easy. We did 9 uppers total in this day and easily installed all of them in one afternoon. Got that corner cabinet up and then just continued to work our way to the left, including this one here where we drilled 2 holes so that we could slip it over the vent hood. Seriously, this product was so easy. It was a great tool for us to use as beginners. We had never put up cabinets before this moment, so very happy with our end result. After doing all 9 of these, the next day I came in and I installed the flooring, and then we were able to put the lowers in as well. So keep watching so you can see this kitchen continue to transform.